Hello, hi friends, namaste. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. And so, guys, we are here for the next recipe, idli recipe. Yesterday's video was incompleted because the video was very lengthy, and so here I am continuing this recipe with the next video. I have just taken here 1 cup black gram urad dal, half tablespoon fenugreek seed, methi seeds, half cup poha, flattened rice. Here we need to wash this 3 times and add a water and soak this for 3 hours. And now the time is 7 o'clock, and just now we are checking our soaked dal here. The time is now 10 o'clock. I have soaked this dal for 3 hours. See, our dal is soaked properly. Now here we are separating the dal and water. Just remove water from the dal. Now we will grind it. Now we will make the fine paste of dal, poha and the methi we have soaked already. We just want to make a fine paste, fine proper paste we will make it now. Now here we have taken mixer jar and adding water in it and just grind it like this with the fine paste. You can see it. So here our dal is little bit thick, and so for adjustment I am putting water in it. Inserted little bit water in a mixer jar, and that water only I am going to add in it. If needed, add little bit more water and just mix it properly. Like this we have to mix it properly, and then later we will add suji, idli suji in it, idli rava in it. And here I am adding 2.5 cup of idli rava in this mixed batter. I am adding it and just mixing it properly, mixing properly, and resting this for overnight. Morning it is 6:30. This is the batter we kept night for fermentation, and look how this batter is fermented so properly. Look at now. The timing you should adjust. After 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock you should soak your dal, then your fermented batter will not going to be sour. I don't like sour idlis, so this is the timing, proper timing I used to soak the dal whenever I make idlis or whenever I make dosas. We don't like sour idlis and dosas, so that is the proper time I maintain whenever I make idlis and dosas. Just added salt in it. We are not going to add any sodas in this batter, and also keep in mind that we should not add salt while fermentation, because the process of fermentation will get slowly, so we should not add salt while fermentation. This is the perfect batter we are looking for idlis to make. Look at this, the batter, how nicely, how perfectly it is done. The batter is ready, and this is what our consistency we needed for idlis. Now we are going to take idli maker, and here are the plates of idlis. Sprinkle little water on this plate, and then later you apply oil on it. If you do like this, then our idlis will be going to be very soft. Little sprinkled water and then oil, like this you can see it. Now just pour idli batter to make a idli in this plate. Now we will pour the idli batter to make a idlis. You can see it, how the batter is completely, and looking the batter is setting properly in this plate. Set all the batters in all this plate and just tap little on it like this. You should tap it, then the shape of idlis will get nice and good. This is how we have done it. Now on the medium low flame we are going to cook our idlis, and this is how our cooked idlis have done. Look how nicely and how softly it is done. You can see it. The idlis are ready, guys. If you like this video, share, like and comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot.